show you a quick example using the new AI presets if you are just a little bit on the fence and just kind of wondering what's going on with all this technology anyway. So this is just going to give you kind of a rundown of how these work. So with the AI presets, I have built in AI bases, which are essentially just presets. So really as a base, you can use any preset that you would like. So I have made some bases though to help with selecting. So on this one, I'm going to use Warm Colorful Preset 2. As you can see, it's a little dark, so I'm just going to up exposure slightly, and then I'm going to just bring down temp just a little bit here for her skin tone to be a little bit better. Now this is the part where it starts to get really fun. Generally, this would have been pretty much a finished edit. I would have maybe done a few little tweaks, but that would have been about it. Now, when you get into the AI LLP, these start to where you can really start to have a lot of fun with the presets or with the image. So you can just go through, like for instance, this is bold background. So as you can see, there's before and then there's after. You can do eye pop. So as you can see, that's like way too much for the eye pop, but the great thing about the presets is that you can adjust the opacity on them. So you can do that, and then you can add eye sharpen on top of it. You can build these presets on top of each other, which is truly just one of the most amazing things. So you can add like painterly background, and then after I do that, then I like to add, soften background. You can just really keep going through. There's like subject pop. There's subject decreased temp. As you can see, like it's just focusing all of these little adjustments on her. So there's like subject sharpen. You can see just how much better that makes her as like nice and sharp. You can also, I have built in the presets, the AI presets into the works where I have all those adjustments kind of built into one. So if you do the works plus iPop, it's going to go ahead and just do that like right off the bat for you. And then the next thing that you can do is you can copy all of these settings here. All of your AI settings are in it as well. And then you can take them over to other photos in. So like here's one that's not edited. I'm just going to paste exactly what I did on the other one. It's telling me it's updating the AI settings. And then there you go. Everything that I did over on the other photo, it's going to do it there. There is, you can, I have subject brighten, just subtle. There's subject brighten where it's a lot. So say you click that, you can just bring that opacity on down to whatever you would want it to be. Like I said, the subject sharpen, I have stuff for skies. There's obviously no sky in this one, so I can't necessarily do that, but these are truly going to change how you edit. Like I don't know how to put it like any differently or just to sound like an overreaction, but it's truly not. Like these are probably the biggest game changer since presets themselves. Something I just am so excited about. So I can just show you like one more here. So like this one with her, if I just paste everything that we did earlier, it's going to, like I said, take all those same settings, and you really get to pick how you would want it. So if you want your base to be more, I have like kind of more like bright, like these ones are a little brighter. So as you can see, like in her face, it's gotten kind of dark. We've lost that detail in her eye. I'm gonna decrease the red saturation because her lips are looking a little too red. So then, same thing, we can go down and we can start adding in then all of the AI presets. So you can see there, her eyes right away are just popping. I'm gonna bring, it just grabbed another another background. My computer, the one thing that you will notice when you're using the AI presets that it sometimes it can get your Lightroom to run just a little slower. I mean, so just getting used to that, and then also just like clearing out anything. Like I have a ton that I need to clear out on my computer. So anyways, like continuing on, we got painterly background here. You know, you can just keep like going on through those, the subject pop, and then like I said before, doing the works with iPop. I do have like the works where it says cool. If you're wanting more of like a cool background too, I have other like cool background up here. So I don't want you to think that it all just has to be like warm and, you know, that these are just for warm editors or something like that. That is definitely not the case. There is tons of, there truly is just tons of options. So the works plus iPop, and then I like to soften the background. And then there is another iPop, the one iPop 3, and it's like super aggressive. So if you just, that one though, I mean, obviously, like just bring it down to what you need it at. And then there also, she doesn't have teeth, but there is also like white and teeth, just warm background, so many options. So I hope this demystifies any mystery on how these presets work. You know, if you've been using masking or any of that with Lightroom or Photoshop, you have been using their AI technology. It's not going to edit something that you don't want to edit, and you still have full control over your image. If anything, you have that much more, and it's just going to go that much quicker because you have the tools now to be able to use a preset to just be able to click on it, when before you would have to be using layers and all different things like over in Photoshop, which is just going to take much longer. So I hope you guys, I hope this answers any questions, and you know, you're able to get on board with how amazing these are. If you have any questions though, just feel free to email me. If you'd like me to test an image, send it on over. I'm more than happy to do that at lemonandlacestudios@gmail.com. All right, have a great day.